Alrighty, fourth grade class. Today we will be continuing our topic, which is two-digit multiplication. This lesson is mainly for the students that are having trouble with the original method, which I will show you right here, right now. And I will show you the way I was taught back in elementary school and how I personally learned it. So let's just review with how you learned it from me in my class and how you originally do it and how the textbook shows you. So here's an example of 54 times 31. Sorry for a little wonky one, but you understand what it is. Alrighty, first you do 1 times 4, which is 4. Actually, let me switch to pencil. Then 1 times 5, which, okay, sorry. I'm gonna erase this. I'm gonna start with pencil here. So 1 times 4 is 4. Then we go here, 1 times 5, which is 5. Then you put an imaginary space, or no space here, but I like putting a 0 just so that I remember there's something right there. Then nothing else supposed to go here. This means nothing though. So you go 3 times 4, which is 12. You put a 2 here, and then you put a 1 up here, so you can add later. Then it's 3 times 5, which is 15. And then you add the 1, which is 16. So you do that right here. And then right here, you add, which all goes down to, so you just bring down the 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. And then you bring down 6. And the 1. So 54 times 31 is 1,674. Now the way I was taught is a bit different. So let me erase this for you guys. But the way I was taught really made my college professor turn her head when I was doing this in class, and really she told me to just do it the way, well, the original way, which is this way. But many kids learn differently, and like me, I had a lot of trouble with this, doing it this way. So my teacher back in 4th grade, actually it was another teacher that taught me, because they had this thing where some students would go to different classes just to learn differently, and this another teacher, not my 4th grade teacher, but another teacher of the same grade level, taught me how to do this. So you do 54 on top. So we're going to do the same numbers, 54 times 31, just like that. Then you make a square right here. It's okay if the square is a little wonky, it doesn't matter. Then you make a line for every digit, both vertically and horizontally. So there's 2 digits right here, you'll essentially have only 1 line, but 2, a center line for one of the numbers, and then you do the same horizontally. So 3 has its own lane, the 1 has its own lane, 5 has its own lane, and the 4. And then you just draw a line through the box, through each little box, the same way, the way I'm doing it, like this. Now, let me just reiterate, these are for the students that are having trouble with the original way, And for the ones that are not having trouble, please just ignore this. If if it ain't broke, don't fix it type of thing. If you don't need this, please disregard it. So 3 times 4 is 12, right? So you put the 1 here and the 2 here. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Then 4 times 1 is 4, so you put the 0, 4, just so you can fill out that box right here. And then 5 times 1 is 5, so you put a 0, 5, and then you just add diagonally. So this 4 right here is alone, so you just bring down the 4 right here. Then you add 5 plus 0 plus 2, which is 7. Then you add the 0 plus 5 plus 1, which is 6. And then you just bring down the 1 because the 1 is also by itself. And voila. 54 times 31 is 1,674. Just like the original way how we did it. So essentially, I want you guys, to the kids that are having trouble with the original method, try this at home, because I already know the ones that are having trouble with this. So please, I will check in on you guys, and if this box helps you guys, because you guys are going to be practicing at home, it will bring joy to my face. And because this was my original way of learning, and I hope this helps you guys, and if not, we will go over this a lot more, so don't worry. Please take care and have a safe day.